Okay, now that React project is set up and Tailwind is also integrated, we can start our development. So what we're going to do first is we're going to divide our web page into components. Since React is component based development, we're going to divide this entire page into a header at the top and a hero component, which is this entire thing. The header component will have on the left hand side a tag, and on the right hand side we have our menu items. Then on the left, in the hero is again divided into two parts. On the left hand side we have the information about the freelancer, and on the right hand side we have a big image with social media icons. So let's build this. Let's start with the HTML part, just the structure of the application. Okay, so we don't need this portfolio. What I am going to do is I'm going to add a class name. Actually, you know what? Let me first create some components. So under src folder, I'll create another folder called as component, which will have our header.js and hero.js. Yeah. So what we have in the header is we have a span tag which can have the title, and then a UL in which we'll have some LIs, that is unordered list items. We have four of these. Services and contact us. Cool. So we are not going to add any styling. We're just creating a structure. Let's see how it looks. Why is it not looking properly? Oh, that's because I have not added the header. Okay, cool. The next thing that we want is the hero. So let's build the hero portion. So we have one container. Inside that we have two containers, one on the left and one on the right. This will have an image of source. We don't have the image yet, so let's get the image. So I have added your assets folder which has these images. So I'm going to put them in the public folder of our application. And we can directly consume them like this in React. And here we have an h1 tag which says, what does it say? I don't remember. Let's see. HY, hi, I am, and then Adish Kulkarni on the next line. HYIM and Adish Kulkarni, and then some lorium ipsium something something description. Then we have two buttons, so we're going to put those buttons in a div so that we can style them later. Hire me and download CV. So we have these two buttons, and after that what we have is uh, these four things. So we're going to create a div container. Inside that container we'll have four divs, and each div will have two span tags, one for the numbers and one for the title. So this is the div. Inside this div we're going to have four divs, 1 2 3 and 4. Inside each div we'll have two span tags. So instead of doing this, I'll do it like this. Okay, 100 plus projects completed, I think. And then we have 5 plus years experience. 12 awards. 72 plus happy clients. Okay, let's see how this looks. Okay, the same problem again. We have to add that component in app.js for it to work properly. Okay, cool. So we have the hero component ready and the header component. The structure of the application is ready. Now all we want to do is add styling, but before that there are also some images. For Facebook we have one, and Twitter, and the other is LinkedIn. The I small case. Okay, cool. So I think the structure of the application is ready. We can start using Tailwind to convert this ugly looking web page into something like this.